Hello on my channel. We have a Christmas time and now every photographer wants to show the beautiful photos like the product, food. And this video today is about 5 steps to make beautiful Christmas photo with the stuff what you have home. Let's go! From Fotoinshadows, and I am food and product photographer, and on my channel you find a lot of video about food and product photography. And today we will be photographing mince pie, these cookies, and we'll be do Christmas styling because we have Christmas coming, and I think it's like nice to show in 5 steps how to photograph this mince pie and show beautiful photo like the photo what you see here. But these 5 steps is like product what you choose for photography, background, props what you use, lights, and set up your camera. This is the 5 steps what I want to show you step by step how to work, how to choose these things good for your product, for your photo, how to set up everything and make that beautiful photo. First step what I choose is my product. I photographed today this mince pie. I bought this mince pie because have beautiful shape here on the top. It's like you can use only mince pie and looks beautiful on the photo and nothing more. Sometimes you can decoration or not. I chose these cookies because I like these cookies. Second, I want to show you can use product and show beautiful on photo. You don't must to bake or cook something and you can show on photo. That's it. Doesn't matter what you choose. You can choose that mince pie, different cookies. Always choose this what is for Christmas, for time for Christmas, for what people normal buy, eat. This is the best for Christmas to show on the photo. Another thing is the background. I chose today the only one background is the have texture like wood because I want to show the photo like dark mood, little dark and cozy mood. That's why I chose something dark. But of course you can choose different, you can show in bright color, bright background. What I can say, you don't must have, like I have really wood background, but you can have vinyl background. I recommend 2 company. One is from UK, is Club Backdrop, really good company if you want to buy the background. Another company, if you live in Poland, is Pix Backdrops. Amazing company, have a lot of different vinyl and handmade background design. The steps number 3 is the props what I chose for this shoot. First things, I bought it like that Christmas tree. I want to put in the back something to the decoration to show. Another things is like the glass. I use glass with the milk inside to show like atmosphere Christmas. And I have like Santa's milk here. You don't must have all, of course, this. You can have only glass, normal, and milk there if you want or not. That's I use, but probably you think why I use only little milk, not more. Because I have one tip for you. If you want to, if you don't have too much milk in home, you can put little milk and fill up with water. This is one tip that save you if you have that emergency situation. Another tip, when I do dark mood photography, I don't want it like my milk will be first things on photo what you see. I won't focus on the cookies. The milk is only extra. It's another props for photography, not hero for this photo. If I fill up this all and will be so bright, of course the first things what you see on the photo, your eye will be go for the milk. That's I use a little milk and water and the color will be not so bright. This is the tip and extra what you can use. Another things is like plait or balls or something what you use. I use the plait with the Christmas decoration. It's not bright color, it's perfect match with cookies will be done distraction from my hero, what is the cookies. And for last things, maybe not the last, but another things what I use is like the paper stars. I put in the back something to do the decoration. Like you see, I have 2 different. And I make myself last year, I bought the paper, what you have normal for packing your gift for Christmas. I bought that paper and I use this paper to make this decoration for my shoot. It's like you need only time and it's easy to do. You need only the paper, little time and patience to do this. And last things what I will use is the sugar powder, because I don't have the snow and I want to do fake snow on the table around, on the cookies and around. That's I'm using this sugar powder for make the fake snow. This is everything what you need for props for your product. Another things will be light. Today for this photo I will use the artificial light, because outside it's so dark and I cannot work now with natural lights. But normal, you can make this photo with natural lights and with artificial lights. I use today the Godox SL150 with the umbrella. This is all my setup for the lights. Another steps, number 5, is set up your camera. But we do this, I will be finish the styling all food and set up the lights. We will be set up the camera. But now back for styling step by step the food. Setup are ready, and I choose only 5 cookies, because in stylization is one rules. You use the numbers, narrow numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. I use 5 mince pie. I choose 1 milk, 5 Christmas tree, 1 stars. That is perfect. Another things what I will be do now, I put everywhere the powder sugar. And I want to use something for decoration. The front don't left that nothing. I have that red small balls, and I think I use for decoration this. And that will be all my setup for today. Next is lights, next and camera setup. But stay with me, I show you everything step by step. With the umbrella. Now I put only here now, and we'll see how work. I have enough lights or not, maybe I must to move or not, but I will be set up my camera and will be know how looks everything. First things what you should to do, you should use the tripod. When you photography, always use tripod. It's easy to work, you can change the styling everything. And if you will use the shutter speed, big shutter speed and big ISO, you can work this easy with this. You know, you will be don't have blur the photo. You can use a tripod, and I recommend really use the tripod. I use the camera today, Canon, and lens. I have lens 50mm with f1.8, but we will be use probably 2.8, 3.5, because I want to focus on cookies, and everything in the back I want to make the blur. I like looks everything in my camera, the lights, and little I think is too much shadow here, and I put the lights in the front more and closer. I think that is the perfect. I have a ISO 400, aperture 2.8 and shutter speed 500. And this is everything that looks my setup. I take now photo, we check how looks. Perfect photo for me. I like how looks everything. Only need editing, that's it. It was my 5 steps to make that beautiful photo like you see here. I hope you learn something new, you find the inspiration, you will be practice and make yourself the photo. If you want to know how to use that light with the umbrella, or choose good lights, artificial lights for you, check my video, what I done before. There you find more inspiration, more idea how to work with that lights.